Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and this SQL series. We will learn the SQLs from the basic to advanced, which is required for data analytics and data science career. Let's start the first video of this SQL series. So for this SQL series, we are going to use the employee data set, and we will try to learn some basic query with respect to it. So my by default employee database is selected. So if it is not selected for you, you can just write use employee, employees, employees. With this, your by default database or the database employee will get selected. Now the first query I will to write select star from the employee. So once we'll run this, we will get all the employee data from this employee table. So there is an employee number, birth date, first year, first name, last name, gender, and hiring date. Okay, so this is the one. Let's say we want to write the let's say that we want to count the total number of male and female employee in this table. So what we will do, select count gender from employee, and is coming red here because I have not given a semicolon here. Now it's fine. So if you write like this, count gender from employees, it should be employees, right? If you write like this, you will not get the correct answer because it will give the total count of the particular. Something is more wrong, I guess, here. Count once again. Yeah, now it's fine, I guess. Yeah, once you will run this, you will get the total number of the entry in that particular column. So it's 3,24,000. So this is not the correct one. We want to find the male employee and the female employee in that particular table. So what we will do that, we will just this group by gender. So now if you run this, then now also it's not a right one because you will get two entry, but which one is a male and which one is a female, it's a bit confusing here. So what you do, just write here gender, comma. So now it will be easy for you to find the how many male entry are there, how many female entry are there. So it's easy now. See, so this is the first one where I have used a count and group by operation. So we will move to the next query. So let's say that I have one query that is let's say that I have a first name and last name separated column, means the first name in one column and the last name in one column. I want that both should be in same column. So what we will do for that, select star, comma, concatenate. Okay, what do you want to concatenate? First name, so you want to concatenate first name, comma, last name from employee table. Okay, so in such case you will get both the name in one column, but it's a bit difficult to read where is the first name is ending and where the second name is starting. So because there is no gap here, so what we will do in such case, we will add space between that. Okay, it will work hopefully. Okay, we are going to add the space between that. Now I think it's, and we can write this column as a full name name. Okay, let's try this query and hopefully it will work. Yeah, see, now it is easy to understand now. Now we will write the query to split the again. Let's say that you have a data a name table or data table you have, in that there is a full name, but you want to split that in first name and last name. How will you do that? Let's say in my data table there is no first name, last name, you have only full name, and you want to split this into first name and last name. So what you will do for that? So I will write the same query, select star. Okay, let's write this here. Okay. Select star comma substring index. Substring index, we are going to use that. Okay, so what we are going to do in this, we are going to write the substring index. Okay, then what is the one? We are going to use this as a table, because if you write the full name, it will not work there. Okay, so you have to write this as a column name. Okay, comma, space, comma, 1 from employee. Hopefully it will work, but I am finding some error. I guess it should work, I guess. Let's try this. Yes, we got it. We forget to add this one. If it is confusing, let's comment and let me know that the query, whatever I've written, is confusing. Then, and I will write this as a, and let's write this as a first name. Okay, let's run this. This is as a full name, right? It should be the full name here. Okay. Okay. So from the full name, we are trying to find the first name. For that, I have used the query, whatever I have written, to concatenate the first name and last name. Let's say that you have that you have the data in that the full name is already available in the table. In such case, you don't write this concatenate function inside this substring. You just write that particular column name, that's a full name, and space, like if there is a space between first name and last name, the space, and 1 means the first one from the left we are going to take out from that. If it is not, because this is the derived column, this is the full name, this is why I have to write the complete query for that, concatenate first name, last name. From there again I'm splitting it and I'm writing as a first name that. Okay, so that's all for this video, and we will again come back in the next video with the different queries.